Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Smart Barrier System using Arduino and Servo Motor Gate Open Close System. So in this project, I'm using an Arduino Uno R3, two push buttons, and one 5 volts power supply module, two LEDs, green color LED and orange color LED, and one servo motor SG90 small mini servo motor I'm using. So mini project, two push buttons and two LEDs and one servo motor. Entry, green LED should be on. Again it comes with the orange. Again exit, green should be on, orange should be off. Barrier gate open close system. So here Arduino Uno R3 board. Let's comes with the Arduino Uno. 2 and 3 it is connected to the switch 1, switch 2. 6 and 7 it is connected to the LED. A0 it is connected to the servo motor. 5 volts ground. A0 to 13 input output pins. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am using an 5 volts power supply module and 9 volts adapter. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Then Arduino Uno R3 board, one exit gate, exit switch button and entry switch button, two LEDs and SG90 servo motor. So when I am going to on the power supply, okay, on the power supply, when I am pressing the button, orange should be on, and then I am pressing the button, green should be on. Okay, then I am pressing the switch. Okay, again it comes. Okay, so here I'm include servo data switch 1, switch 2. So onboard LED, so green color LED and orange color LED. So when switch button input, two switch buttons are input, again my servo input. So if I am pressing the switch button, then it will go for the one circle barrier gate open. Again it comes with the barrier gate close. Yeah, so now we are going for the reset button. Okay, now it is status. Okay, when I am pressing the button, orange color LED is on. When I am pressing the button, green should be on. Okay, if I am pressing this button, it won't open. We will go for bidirectional also, like future programming. When I am pressing this button, barrier gate open, close. Arduino Uno R3 board. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. So please subscribe for more projects on SVS Embedded. So this is our block diagram. So thank you.